Branding is a key part of businesses nowadays, especially small businesses, because we need to be able to distinguish ourselves from others. We need to be able, uh, people will need to be able to recognize you just by how you showcase your services or your products, the words that you use, the colors, all of that, right? There's a lot that comes into branding, but there's the physical part, which is really fun because you get to choose what colors really match what you want to showcase with your brand. But it's often a bit complicated to find colors that really go well with each other, right? So I have a really easy way that you can find the perfect colors for your brand. You can do them right now. It will take you very little time, unless you're very indecisive like me. But so there's this Twitter account called Cinema Palettes. And there's Instagram accounts, and I'm sure that there's like other websites where you can get inspiration. But I really like this one because it takes scenes from movies and it shows you the color palette, which can really give you like the kind of mood you're going for, right? Like, let's say, I don't know, I really love this Wes Anderson color palette. So let's say that I really, really love this blue, right? I want this to be my main color. Okay, so you could straight up copy these colors. Like, if you really, really already like this color palette, that's great. Then you're done. Or you can take it and see what colors exactly match with it, right? So first we need to figure out what color this is. There's many ways to do it, but there's a very easy way that I think is just also a very useful tool to have on your Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome, you want to go to the Chrome store, just Google Chrome store, and then search for Color Select. We're gonna add this extension, and we're gonna go here to extensions and pin it. Here we go. So now we got it. So I'm gonna go back to our image and choose our color picker. Yeah, Twitter is doing really odd things. Here we go. Let's choose our color picker. And out here, you can choose whether you want a point sample, which is just choosing a very small point and a color. But often, since these images don't have the best quality, I rather choose a 3x3 or 5x5. So let's choose 5x5. How is the color? Let's say this one, right? Like, we really love this color. So we're just gonna click it. There you go. Color copy to clipboard. You got it, right? So either you can just write them down in a document or wherever you have it really accessible when you want to create your branded products, and pick all of the colors that you want from this palette. Or you can take the color and go to Paletton.com. Okay, so here you're gonna take the base color that you really like and paste it here. There we go. That's our color, right? So if you really love this color, and that's it, you don't have to do anything else. This is a monochromatic, right? But if you, let's say you wanna lower the saturation a little bit, just a little bit, there we go. We can even higher the contrast. There we go. Let's say that's how we want it. Perfect. Okay, so here we go, our monochromatic color, right? This is just the same tone, darker and lighter tones of the same color. You can go to table export and see your monochromatic palette. You can even add a complementary color, which is a color exactly on the opposite side of the color wheel that basically gives you the perfect contrast with this color. And then you have your adjacent colors, and you go to triad and your tetrad. And yeah, like, let's say I really love this color palette, like these are the colors that go really well. So we go to tables export, and they look really similar to the colors from my brand. Anyways, I'm very biased, which is this kind of color. Anyways, so yeah, here you go. Like you can just copy, you can copy the values, or you can straight up just save your colors here, and yeah, and that's it. How do I close this?